Now in this class, we just want to solve this question, find the probability of choosing an even number if a die is close to us. This is the part 3 of our probability class. Excuse me. If you are watching for the first time, please go back and check our class on part 1, probability on part 1, probability class, that's part 2. This is part 3. Now to solve this question, now find the probability of choosing an even number if the die is close to 1. So we know our formula is probability equals required outcome over total outcome. In our first part, our first lecture and second lecture, we've explained all of this. So if we have this question now, then required outcome will now be the item that the question centers on, as it now even number. That's what the question is focusing on. So we need to know the number of an even number. If you are following, you must have understood this better. So what is the number of even number? Because you need to get the number of the item the question is focusing on, and the question is focusing on even number. So how many even number will you have on a die? So this number for that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 numbers on a die. So you now look at the even number there. 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number. So it means the number of even number is what? 3 over, excuse me, the total item in that question, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 6 numbers on a die. So we have 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So we have 1 over 2. Final answer. It's as simple as that. Okay. So let me have this. So what if you have this question? If you have this question, if probability of passing an exam is 0.25. Find the probability of failing the exam. So it's just very simple. Please, probability of an event is what? Required outcome over total outcome. So this is the probability that an event will happen. So probability that an event will not happen will be 1 minus probability that the event will occur. So if I say probability that it will rain is 0.5, probability that it will not rain is 1 minus 0.5. If I say probability of passing an exam is 0.50, probability that it's not going to pass the exam is 1 minus 0.50. So as we have the question now, probability that is going to pass the exam is 0.25. So probability that is not going to pass the exam is going to be what? 1 minus 0.25, which is what? 0.75. Final answer.